Hello people, what's up? Hope you all doing great. So guys, today I'm gonna show you that easiest method to propagate succulents. So here I have got this succulent. If you have any other variety of succulent, you can also try this way to that one. So here guys, some important things you should know about succulent. First thing, always choose the older or downward leaves. Second thing, always choose sand in the soil mixture because succulents grow well in sandy soil. So let's get started. Before this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now just turn off the leaves and it will separate this way, as you can see here. Now remove all the leaves. So here it is. Here I'm gonna take compost 2%, sand 1% and soil 2%. Mix them well and put it in any pot, but remember one thing, always choose small pot for succulents. Here well drained, well fertile soil mixture is ready. Remove all the clothes or aggregates which is present in the soil. Now all sides press well. After this, put leaves one by one on the soil. So here it is. Now spray water. Put this container in shade. Spray water whenever topsoil becomes dry. After 2 weeks, you can see the result. Pinkish color roots appear. After 1 week more, baby plants form. You can see very clearly. Some of these only roots form right now. It may be take 1 more week. These baby plants will look like this. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Like, share and comment. Share with your friends as much as you can. Thank you.